You got homework right now and you want it to be done in seconds. Make sure you download this application and make sure you watch a full tutorial on how to use this application. This application is crazy. As you can see here, this is the home screen map application. Very, very easy to use. So what you're going to do is allow access to the camera of the application and so forth. And all you got to do is take one photo of the problem that you want to solve, whether it be from mathematics, but do make sure you scroll across. Let's say it's general English, maths, history, biology, physics, economics, chemistry, literature, whatever the case is. Make sure you go on the specific thing. Let's say it's a math problem. You're gonna make sure you go on the math camera. Once you go on the math camera, you're gonna take a picture of that problem and it will be solved in a second. Using this application is crazy, guys. So that's all you gotta do. Very easy to use. It's straightforward and you get the answers right away. And it will show you detailed explanation of how they got the answer and so forth. So it's a very good AI for homework, pretty much any work related things. If you go to school, if you go to college, this would be a great application for you. Over here you have I would pretty much say this is a calculator within the application. So this you can see here, you have everything as it relates to pretty much mathematics. Everything, you have peer everything, tan everything, guys. Everything. So everything here is like here. So that's pretty much it. And you have a converter option as well, which is crazy. This has everything, guys. Everything related to mathematics is in this one calculator. So you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And a profile option, you have the 3-day trial, which you can get. But after that, you're gonna start paying the $12 for 3 months subscription. So if you tap on here to check on more plans, you're gonna see what to be getting. You're gonna get unlimited answers, and also as you can see, you have the 1 month option, which is $2. $2 is very cheap, and the 3-month option, which is $12, and you have the 12-month option, which is pretty much $11. I don't know why it's that low, but anyways, as you can see down here, I'll be getting what you'll be getting, guys, so any one of these that you want. You see have the unlimited top models, whatever the case is. You will be getting that for the free version, but only for the plus version. So I'm recommending guys getting the plus version even for a 1 month. It's crazy, guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And also here you have the history section, which pretty much gives you everything related to your answers that you have asked. Will pretty much be here. So you can always go back and check on the answers that they have given you and pretty much review it and so forth. So that's pretty much it for that there. And yeah, that's pretty much the application on a phone. And make sure you do sign in before you purchase any subscription. Make sure you do sign in. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, please comment below. God love to help you out, guys. And well, let's see, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. You don't have to jump out. And see you guys in the next tutorial.